In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp formula custom fields in this 2026 guide. If you want to automatically calculate values inside your ClickUp workspace, formula custom fields are a really useful tool. They can help you save time, reduce manual errors, and make your task data much more dynamic. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set one up from start to finish in a simple, easy to follow way. To begin, open ClickUp and navigate to the list, folder, or space where you want to create your formula. This part matters because the formula field will be added in that specific location, so make sure you're working in the right area before moving on. Next, open either a list view or a table view. These views make it much easier to work with columns and custom fields, which is exactly what you need for creating a formula. Once you're there, look to the right side of the field columns and click the plus icon. This is where you can add a new custom field. From the available options, select Formula. Now enter a name for your formula custom field. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your workspace includes several custom fields. After naming it, click Create. With the field created, open the Formula Custom Field settings. This is where you'll define how the calculation works. In the settings, select the fields you want to use in the calculation. These are the values your formula will reference, so be sure to choose the correct ones based on the result you want. After that, add the required operators and functions to build the formula. This is the core of the setup. Depending on your goal, you might combine fields using basic math or more advanced logic. As you build it, pay close attention to the structure so everything calculates properly. Next, review the formula preview. This is an important step because it lets you catch mistakes before finalizing the field. If something looks off, this is the best time to adjust the selected fields, operators or functions. When everything looks correct, click Calculate. ClickUp will then process the formula based on the setup you've created. After the calculation is ready, select the result format. For example, you can display the result as a number, currency, percentage, or date. Choosing the right format helps make the data easier to read and more useful for reporting or tracking. Finally, click Save to apply the formula custom field to your ClickUp view. And that's it. You now know how to create and configure a formula custom field in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.